Welcome to PrometAI. Today, let's take a closer look at your content section. To get started, head to the Marketing and SEO section in the Entrepreneur's Journey. Then, click Content from the top toolbar and open the Content Strategy Planner and Blog and Article Ideas tools. First, PrometAI suggests a 1-month content plan, highlighting the main pillars and recommending the most suitable tools, social platforms, and content formats to reach your audience. It also shows the ideal number of each post type to publish throughout the month. Moving forward, the platform generates ideas for 3 different blog article types: awareness, consideration, and decision. By clicking on each topic, you will get a helpful summary of what to write about and what to cover in each article, making blog planning easier.